Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to post Instagram stories from laptop or PC. Alright guys, welcome to another video. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Alright guys, so let's simply get into this. I'm going to be using the Brave browser in today's tutorial. So I'm going to be making use of the Brave browser. Alright guys, so once you're logged on to Instagram.com, how can you actually post Instagram stories from your laptop? All you need to do is, the first step would be to simply right click anywhere on your screen. So right click and head over to inspect. This is on all browsers. Just simply click on inspect. Now, once you've selected inspect, simply come over here to the top and click on toggle device toolbar. So click on this option to toggle device toolbar. It's going to subject the Instagram.com site to looking like a mobile app. Okay guys, so once you've clicked on inspect, just right click again and simply reload the page, or head over to the reload option at the top left corner of your screen. So after you've reloaded the Instagram page, once you're on the inspect view, you can see here I've turned on the toggle to view the website as a mobile device. Now all you need to do is head over to the plus icon just beside the heart emoji, click on this and click on story. So click on the story option here. And now Instagram is going to prompt you to select a picture or video you'd like to post. So I just go ahead with this and click on open. And then you can see Instagram reloading in the background. And now you can simply add this image to your story. So click on add to story and you can see uploading at the top. And boom, your photo was added. Alright guys, so after you actually posted, just perform a simple reload. I did this a couple of seconds ago. So just simply reload your screen and you're going to find the story that you just added would be available for you to view and for others to view as well. So guys, it's that simple. All you need to do is just enable the inspect feature and select the mobile view. Once you select the mobile view, reload the website, click on your story, to upload the story, add the photo you wish to add or the video you wish to add, and then go ahead to reload again after you've uploaded the story. So guys, that's how you can simply go about this. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want more content like this and if you have questions as well. Thank you.